Hello everyone and welcome back to the MK. This is the Android Zenfone2 provided by Asus through Android Central. It came in this nice fancy box for promotional purposes. It came with the phone and a SIM card from TELUS and the Asus Zenfone2 flip cover. Here we have the main box, nothing too special. Standard disclaimers and stuff on it. Inside we have the flip case from Asus Zenfone, and we'll have my handy knife to open it. And there we are. The case is kind of a cheap polymer plastic case. Can't say I'm a huge fan of it, but it's always a nice little perk to have, and it keeps the phone safe. Has a little filler card. Feels quite cheap in the hand though. Now onto the main phone. I do apologize for the camera. So it pretty much comes with your standard stuff, some random sticker, your user guides, multiple languages, your wall charger with USB, your USB to micro USB, and that's about it. And back to the phone. If your volume rocker's on the back, micro USB on the bottom, audio jack on the top, power button on the top. So there you have it guys, the Asus Zenfone2 unboxing video. I'd like to give a big thanks to Android Central for this demo unit. And I will be doing some more videos in the future with a full review of the unit, along with some transitional videos coming from an iPhone to an Android device. So if you like this video, please subscribe or give me a like. And see you guys next time. Thank you.